What is the Bible about? A deep dive into Scripture's story length. You've heard of the Bible. Maybe you've read parts of it, but what if I told you it's not just a book? It's a divine rescue mission written across centuries by kings and shepherds, prophets and prisoners. Today we're diving into what the Bible is really about, not just its chapters, but its heartbeat. The Bible is made up of 66 books, 39 in the Old Testament, 27 in the New. It was written over 1,500 years in 3 languages, Hebrew, Aramaic, and Greek, and yet it tells one unified story, a story of creation, rebellion, redemption, and restoration. Let's walk through that story. In Genesis, we see a world created in beauty and order, but quickly humanity chooses rebellion. Sin enters. Separation begins, yet God doesn't abandon us. He makes covenants with Noah, with Abraham, with Israel, promises of restoration. The prophets speak of a coming Messiah, and then Jesus arrives. Jesus isn't just a character in the Bible. He's the thread that ties it all together. The Old Testament points to him. The New Testament reveals him. He lives, teaches, heals, dies, and rises, fulfilling every promise. Through him, the story shifts from law to grace, from distance to intimacy. So what does this ancient book mean for us today? The Bible is a mirror, showing us who we are. It's a map guiding us through life's chaos. And it's a message reminding us that we are loved, chosen, and called. It speaks to anxiety, identity, purpose, forgiveness. It doesn't just inform, it transforms. Let's clear up a few myths. The Bible isn't just a rule book. It's a relationship manual. It's not outdated, it's timeless. It's not hard to understand, it just needs the right lens. That's why Bible Bit Daily exists, to make Scripture bit-sized, bingeable, and clear. Did you know the Bible has over 31,000 verses, and the shortest one is just 2 words, Jesus wept? That's the heart of it, a God who feels, who enters our pain, who restores. If this resonated with you, subscribe. We're just getting started. Every weekday, we drop a new bit. A verse, a mythbuster, a reflection. Comment below. What's one verse that changed your life or one you've never understood? Let's grow together. This is Bible Bit Daily. Faith in focus, one bit at a time.